This is the first circuit from book 2 of the Electronics Learning Lab from RadioShack. So we're starting this book. Just got finished with workbook 1. So this is workbook 2, which covers digital logical projects. Okay, so unlike the first one, the ones in book 1, which are analog, those ones, well, the contrast is digital only takes in values of 0 and 1. Okay, so anyways, what this one is a simple logic probe. So this part's the probe over here, and it's not connected to anything. We have over here the chip we're working with in, right, the black chip there. That is a 4049 chip. And we have the LED connected. We have, let's see, we're using 9-volt power source. Resistors we have over here, we have a brown, black, yellow, which is a 100K, and a brown, black, red, which is a 1K. We're using a red LED. The book says green LED, they suggest, but I actually just broke that because these legs on here, it's just, you know, a thin piece of metal. So if you bend the piece back and forth a bunch of times, which I had from the times I've used it in book 1, you know, you bend a piece of metal back and forth a bunch of times, it will break. So just an LED, no big deal. So I just bought some off of Amazon, just replacements, because I'm sure this one will break soon. I've bent that one back and forth a lot as well. Let's see, what else? That's pretty much it. So what's going to happen when I turn the unit on is this LED will not glow. When I touch this probe into a power source up here greater than 3 volts, this LED will come on. And what that indicates is it's the logical, well, it's the logical 1 or high. Okay? And then when I touch the probe to the ground, it will go to, the LED will switch off, which represents the logical 0 or the low state. The book says this logical probe is powered by 9 volts, of course up here as I showed earlier. So it can be used with any circuit on the breadboard powered from 4.5 to 9 volts. Okay, so let's check it out. Turn the unit on. You touch this to the ground. So that's the off state. Let me touch this to 6 volts. Comes on real bright. And let me touch it off. Okay, so back again, 6 volts. Turns on. And now the 0 state, off. Okay, so that's it. A simple logic probe where you can test the, basically just test if it's a positive or, a logical 1 or a logical 0 state. Okay, so thanks for checking this video out, and I will see you next video. Bye-bye.